Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Jaysuing Ginger Nail Treatment. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on Amazon, and before we go into the details of it, I'm just going to say right off the bat that this product is a sort of a scam. And this is exactly why I made a research guide, so you guys don't have to wait for me to tell you if something is legit or not. So the link is in the description down below, guys, for you to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. Now, as you can see, I have it pulled up here on Amazon and see that it is rated 3.5 out of 5 stars here on Amazon. And if you don't know what this is, it is basically a treatment for your nails. So, for example, if you got a dead nail, you can just use this product to restore it. However, if you're wondering if this product is legit, let's head on over down here to see the reviews and see that they're rated 3.5 out of 5 stars, which is pretty decent. However, there are a lot of 5-star reviews here. However, if you actually read the reviews, most of them are really not 5-star reviews. So as you can see, effective. This one is 5-star. I don't recommend it. Didn't work. I don't know why you rated it 4 stars. Didn't work. 4 stars. No function. Okay. I don't know what this is supposed to mean. 5 stars. 5 stars. Awesome. So, but the product is a bit of a hit or miss. And I couldn't find any other information about this product online since it's not that famous. So if you want to go ahead and try this product, I advise you to do some more research about it. However, if you really want to cure your nail, I would advise you to go to the doctor and seek medical help instead of buying products like these and going blind. And just guessing if the product works or not. So if it doesn't work and if you're allergic, the infection or your nail might get worse or might be removed entirely, and you might get an infection, and it could lead to a lot more complications. So please, guys, do some of your research before buying this product. And if you really want to cure your nail, I advise you to seek medical help. And that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.